Rolls-Royce has one of the most unique pricing strategies in the world. And I'm not even talking about their car business, I'm talking about their business where they make engines for aircrafts. They realized that their customers, which is airline companies, wanted to focus on hospitality, offering better routes to their passengers, offering better tickets and prices, and not worry about maintaining engines which were really expensive. So they told their customers that they could buy aircrafts without the engines. And Rolls-Royce would come, fit their engines and charge money only for the hours that the plane flew. And no money was to be given if the plane was just standing. This actually helped airline companies convert their fixed cost of owning engines in aircrafts, which increased the prices of the aircrafts, to converting that fixed cost into a variable cost. Now, this may also play out in the EV industry now, where batteries are really expensive. And battery as a service is a massive business with great potential to make crazy wealth in the future. Are you helping any of your customers convert their fixed cost into variable cost? Let me know and share it with someone who may need it.